missing you lot. You lot have been missing us. Look, we got a little man coming in, running away. Come on. Say it. What up, LuxaFam? Say Happy New Year. Oh, what's God? It's God. Welcome back to our channel, and those who are new to this channel, I'm Desh.
And I'm Mara.
I'm Dejan.
And I'm Imara.
Okay. Together, we are the LuxaFamily.
LuxaFam.
We are the family, LuxaFamily. So if you're brand new to this channel, smash that like button right now.
And go and smash that subscribe button.
Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. You gotta make up our order, you know. You gotta make up our order. Like that.
With
bass. Happy New Year's, man, and I hope you had a Merry Kwanzaa.
For some of you guys, I hope you had a Merry Christmas. You
already know how that goes. Crimbo. Xmas. So yeah, man, as you don't know, we've been away for about 3 weeks, maybe going up to like four weeks now. And the reason being is, man, we just wanted time to like just have an actual vacation with just us.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like
no cameras, no work,
no editing, no collaborations, no mixing and blending with different projects, just us. Because after 7 months, believe it or not, man, constant traveling gets so tiring.
It does. Man. It gets very tiring.
It gets so tiring. Hold on, babe, I can't. Double focus. Alright, cool. I need to be in the frame, that's what it is. See the frame?
Oh yeah. Okay, let me move over there.
So you can start like that, but just move over a little.
You look so big compared to me.
Yeah, man, so without all of that, we just decided that we just needed some us time, and on top of it was little man's birthday, his 3rd birthday.
He turned big 3.
Yeah, man, so it was awesome, you know. We said to ourselves, we're not going to do any editing, we're not going to be doing no recording, but guess what? We still done a few bits and dribs and drabs.
You know we can't keep away from the camera, you know that.
Not for too long.
It's hard.
It is hard.
This is like our second baby.
It is, man. It's life, you know. Yeah. It's our life. So yeah, man. With that being said, we have, we recorded enough to give you a breakdown about exactly what happened and how it went.
Yeah. So you don't feel like you've missed out. You still involved all the way.
Big time.
Okay. I go.
Some cider, man. But yeah, man. So it has been a nice little break. Yeah. It's the New Year's now. We're excited to be back and excited to be working again. Excited to be communicating with you lot. Guys, you know, because we missed you lot, man.
I really miss you guys.
We missed you lot, and you know what? It's so crazy. Like we're so close to 300 subscribers. It's not a lot, you lot, but from where we've come from,
it's a lot.
It's a lot.
It is a lot.
It's a lot. So yeah, man, we're excited. We're glad to be back in motion and in the swing of stuff, man. So yeah, man, without further ado, let's just break it straight down into how it went before we left Bali. Oh yeah, we're back in Bali, by the way. So
we are back in our hometown.
Yeah, man.
In our hometown. Okay, no, we're back in Bali. No, we're back.
We're back in Bali, man. So yeah, we had decided, alright, cool, we're gonna book a flight to Singapore, you know, like just be alright, just relax, whatever have you. And for those who don't know, Singapore is the most expensive city in the whole entire world.
As well as, it's so tiny. It's one of the smallest countries that we've ever gone to, I think. One of the smallest.
Yeah, well, it's really.
That covers an island. Yeah, so one of the smallest countries that we've been to is tiny.
Yeah, and the only reason why it's so tiny is because I can't tell you the exact facts, but I do know that many years ago, Singapore was classed as Malaysia until the Singaporean side decided that they're going to split it and they're going to have their own rights to their land, which they then classed it as Singapore. the Singaporeans.
Comment below if that is
if we're accurate or not. Yeah, and we decided, okay, we're not going to stay bang in Singapore itself. Reason being is because the prices for hotels and whatever have you is expensive. And Miriam and I, we said we're not going to do any collaboration, we're not going to do anything, we're not trying to do any work. So it just had to come out of our pocket directly. Yeah. So with that being said, we was like, okay, let's go for the cheaper option. We found a place called JB, Johor Bahru. Yeah. A little to our knowledge, then we arrived there. It's borderline Singapore, borderline Malaysia.
Yeah.
So it's right on the borderline. This is the borderline, yeah. This is Singapore.
And this
is the borderline, and this is JB.
Yeah.
Do you get what I'm trying to say? Then that's the rest of Malaysia over there.
Yeah.
So anyway, now we had gotten up early. Now currently leaving Bali, Mungu, and we are headed over to Singapore. Baby girl's literally just checking us into the airport right this second. She got out the passports and everything. Early enough, you know, we got up about 4:30, 5.
We got real, yeah, about 4:30.
Because what time do we have to board the plane? 8:20.
8:20.
We have to board at 8:20. So for those who do travel, you know that it's ideal. It's a good idea for you to at least get to the airport 2 hours before boarding. Yeah. So we decided, okay, we're gonna try and arrive there for 6:20. It's a 40-minute journey, which means that we said, okay, we'll leave for about, what did I say? We said, so it's 8:20. We said 8:20, yeah? For boarding. We said we're gonna try and arrive there for 6:20.
Yes.
Yeah? So, airport's about half an hour to 40 minutes journey. So we said, okay, we're gonna leave for about 5:30.
We thought it was
just
gonna be
a breeze, yeah.
Breeze.
It was like, ah, cool, we're just gonna run through that. We're just gonna do that. Everything should be easy. Anyway, now, booking the Gojek. Nobody wants to pick it up, you know.
Just to let you guys know, if you do come to Southeast Asia, especially Bali, make sure you have Gojek and Grab, because you never know what one's gonna fail you, one's gonna cancel.
Yeah.
It's just hectic. Make sure you have both.
Nah, definitely, man. You definitely need to have both. It's absolutely fundamental.
Yeah.
The Gojek, nobody wants to pick up the tab. Finally, somebody picks it up. Yeah, so this time now we're at least into it's like 10 to what time is it?
We got up at like 4:35, so it's about 10 to 6. 10 to 6.
Yeah, it's all gone up to it's all gone up to 20 to 6 now, yeah? So it's like 20 to 6. We're saying, damn, we've got like 40 minutes to get there. Like, that's the time, yeah? That is literally the time it's gonna take to get there. 10 minutes have gone past, my man hasn't turned up. He's turned up, but he has not found the residence. It's one road. He hasn't found it, so he's gone to the top. Yeah, he's gone to the top. And we're saying to ourselves, this guy's really trying to make us late.
I wonder if that's our driver and he just drove all the way past us.
Ready?
Yes, more than ready, man. We've been waiting for you.
We got in the cab, you know.
You have to speed. You have to speed.
Have to speed,
like,
big man.
Yes. Little to our knowledge, once again, we've only gone around the corner. He stopped and said, can I pick up my friend? We're looking at him like, can you pick up your friend?
Like, hurry up, big man. Do what you gotta do, but you need to be quick right now. We ain't got time for all of this. You've already been gallivanting down the road, just taking like 50 years to even do a U-turn. Like, come on, man. If you're gonna pick up your friend, you should be waiting.
Quick,
then he comes back.
Yeah.
Then he comes back. No, my friend still sleep.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let's go,
My
man.
friend still sleep.
Yeah, like, it's early in the morning. Why would he come anyway? You know, like, that didn't make any sense.
He just did the Olympics, literally.
If you have the budget for it, go and visit Singapore. We didn't spend much time there because, like we said, we ended up in Malaysia. Yeah.
It screams like, wow.
Yeah.
Literally. It's
does.
breathtaking.
It's classy, very classy. But yeah, man, even like the journey getting to Johor Bahru. So bear in mind, we have no idea how we're gonna get there.
We just thought Gojek and Grab could take us.
Yeah, we wasn't prepared. So,
what, are you able to cross the border into Johor Bahru?
No.
No.
Yep.
Okay, so how do I get about going there, bro? What do I do?
The drop off. Yeah, go to the counter.
Yeah.
And just go your passport. Then officer there.
Yeah. Show the passport, then walk over, yeah?
Grab took us to a place called Woodlands
Border, I think.
Yes, so it's the borderline. So it was Woodlands border, and from there we had to get a ticket. We had to go through an immigration. It's like an immigration train station. Yeah, it's very weird.
Very weird.
Yeah,
we've gone through a lot of crazy stuff like that now.
Yeah, man. And I'm sorry that we can't show you that footage, because as soon as I got in there, immigration officers, they came up to me and was like, oh, no camera. You have to come to the back with us. So I've come to the back with them.
Bear in mind, guys, my heart's thumping like a trillion times per hour. Cause where you taking him? Excuse me, no, we're all together. A boop, backspace. If he goes, we go.
Excuse me, bitch. Labor Day is over. Huh? Excuse me. Boop. Thank you. Backspace. Delete that.
Yeah, real talk, man.
It's crazy. Not my baby. Thank you.
Let me see what's in your camera. So I showed him. And he's like, you have to delete this, you have to delete this. So I've looked at him and I said, I don't feel like deleting my footage. This is what I do for a living. I ain't deleting my footage. He was like, you don't have to delete your footage, but this is where it's gonna end and we're gonna have to bring you somewhere else where we'll go further. So I'm trying to work with you, just delete the footage and I can just dismiss this. So I'm like, seriously? He's like, seriously, you're gonna have to delete the footage.
Yeah.
Like, alright, cool. And then so I'm showing him, but he's like, he's gone to the bit where it's outside and well, you don't see. And he's like, you can keep this part, don't worry. I was like, you sure you want me to delete this as well? I don't want you try and double back with me, you know? He's like, no, it's alright, you keep this. Alright, cool. So anyway, now we've had to go through that whole process of getting on the train, buy the ticket, going through the immigration service. Then we've got off the train, gone through immigration again, and then we was now in Malaysia. And being in Malaysia, yeah, just like that, man. It was like
3 minutes.
It was like a 5-minute journey.
There's no point of that train being there.
Nah.
They should just allow people to drive from the border to the next side, literally.
It was intense, man. It was real simple. We got off the train now, and then we got in another Grab. Took us to our place. We were staying at a place called Crescent Bay Suite.
Thank you.
Real nice, it was cheap. We had a 2-bedroom apartment. It was real nice, man. It was decent, you know. So it was like, okay, this is us for this period in time, you know. So, yeah, man, that was basically what it was. And then a few days later, it was Kamai's birthday. Yo, so welcome back to our channel, you lot. Currently I'm in the gym in Singapore, Malaysia, / it's a little bit weird, we'll explain it to you a little bit later. But apart from that, man, it's Kamai's birthday today, it's his 3rd birthday. So after I hit the iron, work out a little bit, gonna go upstairs, get him ready, then we gotta go head over and actually buy him a cake, man, which we ain't had the chance to do as yet. So once we do that, then we're gonna come back, cut his cake, blow out his candles, then make him open his presents, and then from there we've actually got like a little surprise for him, Legoland. So it's gonna be super duper excited today. I don't know, you don't even know. Just stay tuned to watch. It's gonna be crazy. I'm gassed because he doesn't even realize. He doesn't realize that it's his birthday right now. Like he knows because yesterday we keep singing to him, like explaining to him, like, you know, you're 3 years old, little man. Like sing, dance, be happy. Like he's jumping up and down, singing happy birthday to himself, all the above. So when he wakes up this morning, I'm like, happy birthday to you, sing. He's gonna be confused as hell. I'm telling you that right now, yeah? And that's what is making it so exciting for me. You know, I just can't wait to see a little face in the water. Like, what is getting? Then you are singing again. This is crazy. I so I can get used to this. So yeah, man, stay tuned. Today's gonna be one hell of a day. So, as you know, we was like, what are we gonna do for it? We decided that at first we were supposed to go to Disneyland or
was it Singapore, Walt Disney, Universal Studios.
Universal Studios. We said we were gonna go Universal Studios, but then we was like, we looked it up, saw the reviews and whatever have you, and apparently it was whack. And then Malaysia's got Legoland, and for those who's UK and Brits, you don't know we've got Legoland.
We done did that.
We did that, like, yeah, you can't get better than our Legoland. We got our first driving license.
Of course.
Don't do that. What else can we do? So we looked up shit. Something It's my focus. Can you see me better now? So yeah, man. So it was like, what else can we do? And then we stumbled over. Baby girl, it was you that found it, really, innit?
Yeah.
She found a place called Angry Birds. Angry Birds was lit. We was like, okay.
What? You don't even understand. We need to get one of those in London.
No, we do. Like it was crazy the way how the way how they
It's back on me.
the way how they made it, it's like it was fit for adults and children, you know. So we got up early, and then we're gonna get ready, and then we're gonna move on from there.
Yeah.
You know, we're just gonna take a trip to the supermarket, not the supermarket, to the mall, and we're gonna pick up some clothes for Kamai's birthday, you know, make it nice, you know, go get something to eat, pick up a cake, go get something to eat, blow it out there, whatever have you, and then we would move on to the Angry Bird. Today's gonna be a banger. Happy birthday, Cam Cam.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey.
Happy birthday,
dear yeah. Happy birthday to you. Tap, 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 bap, 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 bap. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Everybody wish him a happy birthday down below.
Comments below. LuxaFamily, Luxa baby birthday.
Yeah. Luxa baby birthday. I like that. Today's gonna be a screamer. Do the birthday dance.
Do the birthday dance.
Hey.
Do the birthday dance.
Dance.
Do the birthday dance. Oh.
Cake now. We're just finding his birthday attire.
Oh wow! Look at this handsome man! Ooh! What, you did a little dance for me? Oh, I love it! Looking so sharp and suave. Are you the birthday boy?
Yeah.
But you! Look at you! I love it.
Let's not go move this, man. You look suave. You look nice. So we did that, man. Everything was flawless. We got something to eat. We had such a lovely dinner. We had like a steak and wings. It was nice.
It's
really
almost
nice.
like TGI's.
It was really dope though. The food was good, man.
I really wish I got the steak. But the wings were nice.
The wings were 10 out of 10 as well. I wish I had I did have a portion.
You did.
Yeah, but
Yeah, it was nice. It was good. We loved it. That was nice.
It was delicious, man. So yeah, man, we had a nice food. Then they brought out the cake for us. Yeah, they brought out a beautiful cake that we had purchased just before turning up at the restaurant. And yeah, man, they sang for Kamai. It was beautiful, you know.
It was lovely.
He loved it. He was a little bit overwhelmed at the time. Didn't know how to really embrace it, you know. He just there looking up miserable, like, stop taking pictures, stop recording.
This happened from yesterday.
Yeah, I just want to eat the cake now, you know.
All he wanted.
Yes, you lot. So we are currently at a place called Tony Roman's Poppin'. Well, we don't know. It looks good still.
Remind us a bit of TGI. Ooh, salty.
My guy, you know, looking intelligent. Happy birthday, big boy. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday, Kamiko. Crazy. Hold on.
Okay.
Caveman style. This was just the cake.
Real talk. So yeah, man, in the end, we cut the cake, whatever have you, and then we was like, okay, we're gonna go back, make him open a few presents. We didn't do nothing major for him, as it being Christmas, that was only around the corner as well. So we was like, alright, we're not gonna do nothing too major. Bought a few things that he was interested in the soup in the mall.
Yeah, he chose everything. But he didn't know he got it.
Yeah,
he chose everything.
He chose, and then we basically put things back and came back and then made the people wrap it. So we didn't know. Yeah, man, so then we went back.
That was so rude. That was Tassia.
That was
Tassia.
rude what the camera just did. How dare it?
It was rude. But yeah, this is Tassia and the staff. They made it perfect. They made it happen. Yeah? Rohimi. You know. Alright, the food's banging here and they got perfect customer service.
They do.
Gang. Right, so it's time to go. Say bye-bye, my bye-bye. Definitely. Say bye, my. Say bye. See you again this year. Thank you. Alright, that was absolutely excellent. That was fantastic.
Lovely people, lovely vibes, lovely food.
Look, like you just never had a big cake just a second ago. What's going on? Watch yourself. He's gone mad. Look. Hey!
For you on fire.
Nah, he is. Hot Wheels. Man, like Hot Wheels. They got a durian stand over there, and all I can smell is stinking toe. I want to know if that's what Jamaicans call stinking toe. Stinking toe, yeah. Durian. Because they got something called stinking toe in Jamaica. Come on, inside here. Go.
Straight in. Quick. Daddy's getting wet.
So you look, this is all day on your birthday, running up and down.
This, that, and the other.
Yeah, so much drinks. He doesn't even want to open his presents. Come on.
Maybe.
What's inside? What's inside here?
Now open it. Go on. Let's open it quickly.
Made him unwrap his presents. From there we headed back over to Angry Birds. Where Angry Birds, as soon as we got there, we was like, this place is lit. Like they make you put on socks like Oxygen or Jump or what's the other one that we went to? Flip out. Like it was sick, like on the go, it was dope.
It was good. It was absolutely phenomenal from when we stepped in. It was just great.
It was, man. They need to invest in that in England, like you were saying earlier. They do.
They do, man.
It's important, man. You don't need to England. Yeah? Pattern up. Angry Birds is killing it in Malaysia. I don't care.
That's the best. If you go to Malaysia, JB, that's one place we would recommend.
Take your children there.
Go there.
You'll enjoy yourself and
they will too.
Yeah.
That's dangerous.
man, like it was sick. We went on like all these little obstacle courses, you know. we got into like one little thing, like it tests your ability there, like if you're brave or not. Like there's a part where you can jump.
Just jump.
You can jump off something, yeah, but then you have to land on it, yeah, like proper like formal or whatever, what have you, safely, innit? Baby girl was there. I had it on Snap. You know, Snap allows you to at least record like 10 seconds a piece, like 8 of them. So it must have been like 80 seconds of just her just trying hard.
And my foot would not move, guys. It wouldn't. We might have to say that, but it could not. I could not do it.
I think we got it though. No, maybe the first one we don't have. No, I got that. I got it
as well.
Okay.
On normal video, but no.
Yeah, man. So, but in the end, she got it. It was dope, you know. Like we did that. Then we did the trampoline and stuff. That
was amazing.
Yeah, man. It was just beautiful, man. There was like little go-karts, pedal go-karts. So much little nice things that was incorporated into the day. We got there for about 5 o'clock. We left at about 10, 11 or something like that.
Yeah, when it closed.
Yeah, so it was real dope, you know?
Yeah, man, it's just action-packed and fun-packed of so much different things that you just don't think of them having.
Yeah.
Like the skate, not the skate,
they had that scooter, like a scooter ramp. You can get on scooter, you have to put your helmet on. Yo, I nearly bust my head top open. Listen, I nearly smashed my head, you know. You did, was it you that did well? Or was it
me? No, I wasn't there for 2 seconds and came back.
Oh yeah, you did a wheelie.
I couldn't die. It was like a death threat.
She did a wheelie, she went down the ramp and she just did a wheelie. You know when you can see tears in someone's eyes. Like the time when she tried to jump off the boat, yeah, she jumped off the boat. And I was just, I'm gonna insert the picture, you know. Yeah. I was just in the water just looking at her and she just like this. Jumping, but I can see that eye. She's like, oh man.
I don't know what possessed me to do it. That's what my thoughts were.
Yeah, and then she got off the scooter anyway. And then man, I got it was decent, man. Cause I wandered off in it. I went to find it. Innit?
Yeah. When he was there, then he was gone.
Yeah, man. You know, like the kid came out at me. I was like, I want no else, Steve. So went to find that. So I tested it out by myself, and that's when I first nearly bust my head. You know, and then I tried to play it off like, this is sick. Like, try it. She tried it. She nearly killed herself. It's like, maybe it's a bad idea. Let me have another go. Like, I did all right this next time now. Yeah, man. But then from there, little man just loved it. He was bouncing, swinging from ropes. He was doing so much.
Shooting birds.
Yeah. It was
doing
dope.
laser, like you guys, you know that laser thing, yeah? Like this
maze.
Of laser maze?
Maze, yeah, it's like CIA, top secret mission.
Yeah, like you know when you have to steal the diamond through the lasers, like they have that in there. Come on, got to do it. We got to do it, but we didn't catch it on camera. That was good.
Yeah, it was intense, man. It was a real nice turnout. And then to finale it all, man, they came and they sang for Kamai. They danced for him. It was crazy. They were circling him. He was like, Mr. Jackson.
Yeah.
I thought we was going to Lil Bow Wow's house. He was.
Yeah, so we're leaving now. So sick of a day, man. You lot was there with us. Hope you lot enjoyed this vlog. You already know. Dejan, Mara and Luck. Bodo fan, go ahead.
Bodo. Now we're gonna go home.
Yeah, crack a champagne.
Yes, put baby with bed.
Chill out a little bit. Which is right. 100% no doubt. Alright, this is the team, the AB team. They popping. So finally we are done.
officially finished.
Yep, today's been such a beautiful day. It's roughly about just after 10 o'clock now.
Yeah, 5 past.
Yeah, man, we've been out for a morning, as you lot know. So yeah, man, I'm glad. We hope little man enjoyed himself, because we put in a lot of work, you know.
And we enjoyed that, huh?
100%, man, and we just love to see him smile that way, man, you know. So it's beautiful. Apart from the little time when it was definitely overwhelming for him, man. Everybody circling him like it's now you're bingy warrior, now you're bingy warrior, now you're bingy warrior.
He didn't know what was going on. He just heard different combinations of birthday happy and music.
Yeah, he thought it was a ritual, cuz he thought people was trying to sacrifice him. You know?
Like, I don't know what you lot are trying to do, man. Like, all day people's been singing happy birthday to me. I'm tired of it.
He had enough. He literally had enough. Like, overwhelmed, got the best of him. Like, nah, this is it. I'm just not. Just stop.
Yeah, definitely, man. But overall, what would you say, man? It was an excellent turnout.
Excellent day, excellent turnout, excellent vibe. Everything was just perfect. We wouldn't have changed anything for the world. It was great, man.
It was fabulous, man. It was an excellent day. They done everything in Angry Birds. Shout out the crew at Angry Birds.
Yeah, shout you guys out.
You lot are dope. Respect you lot, man. I respect the hustle.
Yeah.
I respect the smiles that you lot put on all these kids' faces that turn up at you lot's place, because it definitely put a smile on our face and on our kids' face. So we appreciate you lot for that, you know. Yeah, man. And after that, we was dancing, we was messing around. It was all sick, you know. Like, it was nuts, man. It was dope. Like, even like the little rope thing, like standing on the rope, getting across, like
trying to do flips.
It was mad. That's that cider.
Yeah.
You know. After that, we left, thank them, whatever have you. Then we decided we're gonna go. Kamai was out for the count. He's been tired, you know. So yeah, he was tired.
He tried to sleep just before his presents. He got to open up his presents earlier.
Yeah, man. So he thrashed out in the car and get on the wheel. And he was like, all right, you know what? We might as well go and pick up a little alcohol and just celebrate for ourselves, you know, and just have like a nice little night in, because at the end of the day we got a 3-year-old and we're proud parents, man. It was a proud day, so we did that. We had an enjoyable night. You know, we just kind of like just embraced it, man,
to the fullest,
which is right. And then yeah, man, we just embraced the whole rest of the holiday, which we didn't do any more recording for.
We just chilled and just vibes as family. We just took our time to just unwind and rewind, basically.
Yeah, basically, man. Start everything again, you know, reboot, get our minds right. For getting back to you lot, man. Like, we did do a lot of scheming and planning what we're gonna do for the New Year's, whatever have you. Fantastic, man. You know, like, so yeah, we got so much in store. We got so much in store for this year on the whole, and this is the type of quality that's gonna be coming from New Year's. Hope you lot enjoy it, man. And you lot already know, go and smash that subscribe button.
Go and smash
that like button. Come and join the LuxaFam, because 2019, I already said it, this year ain't no lease. Share this, share with a friend, tell a friend to share with another friend. Show your grandma this, hopefully she'll love it as well. Show your mama this, hopefully it will inspire her to do stuff. And I hope to see so many of you lot on the travels.
With us.
You know. For the New Year's, man. 2019.
2K, who remembers 2K19? 2K, something. But stay tuned, stay locked.
No doubt.
Keep supporting. We see you guys. Acknowledge everybody, and I appreciate everybody that continues to push us and support us in any form of fashion or way.
No doubt.
That they do. Yeah. Come on, LuxaFam. Join the Lux. If you haven't joined the LuxaFam, come on and join us.
Badam badoom.
Come on. We got room for everybody.
Yeah, man.
Everything.
Gang.
Gang.
Gang, 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 gang.